In the last lecture, we are discussed about own capital sources. The first source shares can classify equity shares and preference shares. A share is the smallest part of capital. Share the smallest part of capital. Equity shares is also part of shares, but those shares does not enjoy preference. Those share does not enjoy preference in the payment of dividend and repayment of capital known as equity shares. Totally opposite preference shares. Those shares enjoy preference over the equity shares in the payment of dividend and repayment of capital at winding up company known as preference shares. Equity share real owner, a preference share co-owners. Equity share get changing a rate of dividend, a preference share get a fixed rate of dividend. Equity share get right shares and bonus shares, but preference shares will not get right shares and bonus shares. In this last lecture, I also discussed about types of preference shares: cumulative preference shares, non-cumulative preference shares, participating preference shares, non-participating preference shares. Then a convertible preference shares, non-convertible preference shares, a redeemable preference shares, non-redeemable preference shares. So today's topic is a retained earning. It is also one part of own capital, also one source of own capital. But a retained earning is an internal source of finance. Retained earning is an internal source of finance. A new company has only external sources of finance. A newly established company has only external source of finance. But existing company can generate finance by the internal sources. Can generate a finance by the internal sources. A company earns profit by transactions. The whole profit not divided into equity shareholders. And after the payment, dividend payment to preference shares, if profit available for equity shareholders, it's classified in two parts. One is a reserve fund and second a dividend for equity shares. Which part retained by company? Which part of profit retained by company known as a retained earning. The first definition, the process of accumulating profit, the process of collecting profit and their utilization business is called a retained earning. The process of accumulating profit and their utilization in business is called a retained earning. It is a portion of profit. It is a part of profit is not distributed into equity shareholders, but retained and reinvested by the business. Retained and reinvested by the business, known as retained earning. The word also explains earning is profit retained. Which profit retained by company, which profit not distributed to shareholder, this profit known as retained profit. A retained earning means profit generated by company that are not distributed to stockholders as a dividend, but either reinvest in business or kept as a reserve for specific objectives such as pay off debts, purchase of capital assets known as return earnings, which is also known as a reserve fund, a return profit, a reserve fund. From the above definition, it is clear that return earning is an internal source of finance, is a part of profit which is not paid to shareholders. The policy of using such a retained profit, the policy of using such a retained profit in the business known as self-financing or clubbing back profit. तो इंटरनल फाइनेंसिंग क्या है? सेल्फ फाइनेंसिंग तो पॉलिसी ऑफ बिजनेस है. The management can convert this retained profit into permanent capital, which is known as capitalization of profit. When management transfer a reserve fund to capital fund known as capitalization of profit by issuing bonuses or to the existing equity shareholders, by issuing bonus to the existing equity shareholder at a free of cost. It is the cheapest and simplest source of finance. Cheapest and simple source of finance. Easily raise money, not require permission by others. You can understand also by the format. Suppose sales from the sales company earn income. This income used for payment of all expenditures, purchase, production, marketing, administration. After payment of expenditure, company get profit before interest and tax. Before interest and tax, from this company first less interest. Company get earning before tax. From the earning before tax, company first pay taxes to the government. It is known as corporate tax. After payment of taxes, company available profit for shareholders. Company first pay dividend to preferential. It is a fixed rate of dividend. After preferential, company available profit for equity shareholder. And this profit can divide into two parts. One is a retained earning and second a dividend for equity shareholder. As per Company Act, every company compulsory maintain some part of profit which satisfy future emergencies. This retained earning can be determined by following factors. First factor is for total earning of the company. Total earning of the company. A company earns sufficient profit, so that time still profit is earning. When company earns sufficient profit, that time how profit sufficient, company earns profit. Economics law James Keynes. Economics law James Keynes put forth principle: a larger earning, larger saving. Larger earning, larger saving. It means a company earn more profit, company save the more savings. If company earn more profit, that time company pay all expenditure and maintain maximum profit. The attitude of top management also determine the amount of written earning. Taxation policy. Tax is the revenue income of the government. Tax is the major source of income of the government. A government imposes various taxes on the business, and taxes minimize the saving. Taxes minimize the profit. Taxes minimize the profit. If tax rate increase or decrease, return earning. If tax rate minimize, if less, company more save money. The 30% tax है, profit का will कम मिला automatically. The taxes 20% केले, the profit वाढेल automatically. Dividend policy, next dividend policy. It is the policy of board of director. It is the policy of board of director in regard or to a distribution of profit. The dividend policy affected by many factors. It's the policy regarding the profit distribution made by directors. A company change policy as per the financial position, profitability, and future development program. Future or development program. Company applied two policies. One is the conservative policy, second liberal policy. In the conservative policy, company pay the less dividend. Company less distribute dividend to shareholders and retain more part of profit as a saving. But in policy, conservative policy, company distribute less amount of dividend to shareholders and maintain more amount of profit as a retained earning. Liberal policy, more part of profit used for payment of dividend and very small part retained as a saving. Retained as a saving. A government control. A government is the regulatory body of the economic system of country. Government is a regulation body of economic system of the country. The government control include policy regarding rules and regulation for the business organization. Company must adjust their policies according to government policy. Government control in government the government control the include policy, rules, regulation for the business organization. Company must adjust their policies according to government policy. Company has to formulate its own policy as per the rules and regulations framed by government. If the government control increase expenditure and therefore also reduce a reserve fund of company. If minimize the government control, expenditure and expenditure also decrease and therefore increase a retained profit of company. So company profit also affected by government control. A reserve fund affected by total earning, tax policy, dividend policy, and government control. Return earning also some merits, cheapest source of finance. It's a easily raise money, easy method. No fixed obligation. After issuing the bonus free of cost, it's become part of equity share. No paid obligation. No or dilute control. Bonus only get existing equity shareholders. So no chance to increase number of shareholders. Increase number of shares, but not increase number of shareholders. Increase market value. When company maintain more reserve fund and when company distribute profit, automatically increase the market value of shares. So goodwill है. Profit is a major source of goodwill. Profit is a parameter of goodwill. So return earning, if company earn more reserve, it also affect the goodwill. A flexibility utilizing fund because it's part of equity shares, so no obligation regarding using this. Also learning how some drawbacks, misuse of funds leads to monopoly, overcapitalization, tax evasion, and dissatisfaction. Misuse is a part of own capital. Director can use anytime for any purpose. Means chance to misuse. Lead monopoly. If holding the more shares, get more bonus shares. Increase share capital but not increase profit. It's overcapitalization. Tax evasion. Not properly tax paid to the government. Dissatisfaction. Dissatisfaction. Clear? So all points are clear. Is complete the own capital. If any doubt, directly call me. I explain this also in the next lecture. I also revise the whole concept also. And the Sunday for test of SP to make preparation on the first lesson. So stop the lecture.